So, someone needs to convince me to crawl in there and go get that thing. Also, it's really far back. I have no idea what's in here. We're still exploring, but I don't think this is gonna pull the sewing machine. Can someone convince me to just go in there? That'll grab it, right? There's literally a wasp right there. Anyway, I just need to man up and get in there. If I want to go get it, I need to get it. It's just really small crawl space. So, do you want to come with me? Anyway, I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna bring my little back scratcher. Oh, ooh, there's clothes on it. Guys, is something gonna eat me in here? I don't think so. I mean, that wasp's dead, so there's a lot of dead wasps here. Oh, my shoulders can barely fit. Nope. No, there's too many dead things. No. I'm gonna go get a crowbar.